Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day, and the pullback continues. And I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined, but yeah, things are starting to look pretty shaky because there's nothing wrong at all with the pullback. I mean, no price can go straight up, but there does reach a point where it's like, okay, price, yeah, you've pulled back enough. It's time for the buyers, and it's time for this thing to establish a bid again. And that is certainly where it's entering now. And what I would definitely consider as the must-hold level moving forward is all about that pink line down there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average, which is currently valued at 65 cents. And that's one of those areas where even if you have a basic surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that 200 period moving average, and you know the importance of the price staying above it in order to keep things bullish. And I'm not saying that this is what's going to actually happen, but for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to that area and then break it down through it, I mean, at that point, what do you essentially have? You have the price having gone right back to where it was before the big breakout occurred. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of genuine power, true strength. To be very clear, I'm not saying that's what's going to actually happen, just trying to explain why that, 200 period moving average at 65 cents is such an important level moving forward. Now, in the event the price tries to turn itself around and, recover back upwards, first key area of resistance to watch closely, going to be right there at 82 cents. And then after 82 cents, next key level after that would be right up there around the 93-cent mark. So keep around those couple levels if things do try to get turned around. But as of right now, yeah, things are starting to look pretty shaky, but we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.